guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Welcome again to my channel, English with Malak, in another video. Today we have a new lesson about singular nouns and plural nouns. So this video will be added to my new series of beginners level 1. So if you are ready and interested, let's begin. After we start explaining today's lesson, we have to know what is singular, what is plural. Singular means one thing. Plural means more than one. It means many. In general, we can say singular means one, plural means more than one, many. Okay, so we'll start by these examples showing the transformation from singular form to plural form. Remember, if we want to change from singular to plural, we can add s or es. Okay? So let's start. Here we have a ring, a dog, a teacher, an apple, an egg. So here we understand, if we want to make a singular form noun, we have to write a or an, then the noun without s, without es. Just the noun plus a or an, as you see in these examples. Now let's see how we can move from singular to plural. Easy peasy. We have just to add s. A ring, 2 rings. A dog, 3 dogs. A teacher, 4 teachers. An apple, 5 apples. An egg, 6 eggs. Okay, so really easy. To transform singular form, plural form, add s, just in that case. So Malak, when should we add es in plural form? Let's find out. Okay, now we have more examples, but this time is different. And this time we have to add es to the plural form. A bus, 2 buses, es. A box, 2 boxes, es. So you see the difference just in the pronunciation. A watch, 3 watches. Okay? A kiss, 4 kisses. And the last one, an axe. Yes, 5 axes. So what do we get? We get that if singular form finished or ends with s, ch, sh, x, double s, we have to add es, not s, es, okay? Now let's move on to the last part. This part we have the practice part and some examples for the es plural form. Okay, let's find out. Church, churches, churches, we have to add es, the word finished with ch. Brush, brush or brush, brush, finished with sh. Brushes, brushes. Fox, finished with x. Foxes, foxes. Dress, dress, dresses, dresses, we have to add es, okay? Let's move on to the last part, and this part we are going to talk about practice exercise. In this exercise, you have to know, should we add s or es, or should we leave it as it is, okay? So, first word, to book. Here we have to add s, 2. Books, because it's a normal noun. 3. Class. Yes, in this case we have to add es because we have double s. Classes, classes. A lion, a lion. Should we add es, es, or let it as it is? Of course, let it as it is because it's singular form. A lion. Next word, 6 hats. Yes, 6 hats. It's a normal word. We have to add just s. 6 hats. Next word, 7 match. 7 matches. We have to add es. It finishes with ch. 7 matches. The last word, 1 bat. 1 bat. Yes, this word will let it as it is because it's singular. 1 bat. After we finish this video, there is something exceptional. Yes, other words we have just to add s. And words that finish with s, ch, sh, double s, x, we have to add es. But you know what? Sometimes it's also o. Like what? Like potato. Potatoes, add es. Tomato. Tomatoes, add es. And also volcano. Volcanoes, es. So these are some exceptions, but there is also some words that finish with o and we don't have to add any es, just add s. And that's it. We are reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for your attention and listening, and see you soon in another video. Bye and take care.